Hello everyone, welcome back. Goal today is to put old hardware into an old case. Actually, it's all our original components and repurchasing it so that someone can use it because right now it's just sitting around. First step, putting IO shield, which has to go in the very specific way, make it so that the colored level out should go out. No, not quite like that. Flip it, turn it. No, okay, it's the right way. Not true line is the right. Up, there you go. Okay, next is putting the motherboard. Just try not to scrap it or damage it. Set it right on the standoff. Make sure you have all the standoff in the right place before you put the motherboard in. And this is the ATX motherboard, so it's gonna have a nice standoff, and you just line it up so all the ports accessible in the outside. Okay, next, installing a hard drive. We have an SSD just connected by a serial ATA connector, and this particular board has 90-degree angle. Okay, secure the SSD with a couple of screws. A magnetic screwdriver helps. My husband is connecting the power switch now. I'm connecting the front panel audio. I'm plugging in the rear fan to the power connector on the motherboard. Most motherboards have a few. You can use adapters if your motherboard does not have enough. This is the supplemental CPU power connector. It's a pain in the butt. Now I'm plugging in the GPU. The GPU secured with 2 screws. This connector is the 24-pin motherboard power connector. It powers everything plugged into the motherboard. The GPU and CPU need extra power, that's why they have additional connectors, but they get some power from this 24-pin. This GPU needs a 8-pin PCI Express connector and a 6-pin. We are using an adapter from Molex to 6-pin since the power supply does not have enough PCI Express connector. Here I'm connecting the power to the SSD. Here, I'm connecting a SATA cable to the CD-ROM and the other end to the motherboard. It's all put together. Let's see if it boots up. It powered on. Oh, I see something. There you go. It looks like I did everything right. Thanks for hanging out with me. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.